Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Now I have a take for you on the classic cinnamon bun. This brioche morning bun is sure to fill the home with smells of spice and buttery goodness, and made easy with AEG and Kitchenaid appliances. It's sure to bring all of your friends and family running to your table. Let's take a look at what you're going to need. Mix milk, yeast, and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a small bowl. Cover and set aside for 5 minutes or until foamy. Place remaining sugar, flour, and salt in the bowl of a large stand mixer. Using the dough hook attachment, gently mix until well combined. More than just a mixer. From making your own pasta to sausages or ice cream, their range of stand mixer attachments are perfect for the next culinary adventure. Taking your dishes to the next level with their appliances. On medium-low speed, gently pour in the yeast mixture and eggs and mix until well combined. With the motor running, slowly add the butter 1 cube at a time. Increase the speed to medium-high for 6 to 8 minutes or until the butter is incorporated and the dough is smooth. Transfer to a greased bowl and rest for 45 minutes or until doubled in size. Punch down the dough to knock out all the air. Cover, set aside until doubled in size. Grease a Texan muffin tin with extra butter and sprinkle lightly with raw sugar. On a floured surface, roll the dough out to 60 centimeters by 40 centimeters rectangle and spread with extra butter across the bottom 2/3 of the rectangle and evenly sprinkle with brown sugar and cinnamon. Gently press down with your fingers. Starting from the unbuttered top end of the pastry, gently fold the top 1/3 of the dough towards the middle and gently flatten. Fold the bottom third upwards towards the middle and gently flatten. Use a rolling pin and roll the dough to 5 millimeters thick. Using a sharp knife, slice the dough into 24 by 2 centimeter wide strips. Bring 3 strips together and pinch at the top to join. Gently form these strips into a plait. Pick the plait up from the center and maneuver into the pre-greased pan, twisting into a bun shape. Repeat with remaining strips and set aside for 20 minutes until doubled in size. AEG Steam Boost works exactly the same way as a traditional cooking method, with the benefit of added steam. Without other buttons creating a busy dashboard, the command wheel makes the interface streamline for perfection on a plate. Preheat oven to moist fan baking at 190 degrees. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden. While the buns are baking, make the sugar cardamom glaze. Add sugar, water, and cardamom in a small pot over medium heat. At a touch of a button, the FlexBridge cooking zone switches to 3 preset temperature levels: high, medium, and low, as you can simply move the pan to seamlessly go from boil to simmer. Cook until sugar has dissolved and the syrup is slightly thickened. Baste warm buns with glaze. Enjoy. And there you have it, my spiced brioche morning buns, just like Grandma used to cook. I hope you enjoy and make sure you jump onto the website for the full recipe. Take care.